Good morning, everyone. It's show day. It's 5:30 a.m. I'm about to check with AJ right now so to see what's the game plan. I gotta get out of here at 6:30 in an hour to go get my second coat of tanning, and then athletes meeting at 8, backstage by 8:30, 9:30 I'll step on stage for my pre-finals. So I'll be filming all that through the day and I'll keep you updated. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Let's eat. Gotta go home, nigga. Come on. Damn it. How's my tan face looking in the dark? So since I'm waiting for this train to come and pass and I'm fucking late and I have to need my breakfast, I ordered some IHOP. Yep, the train is coming. Here we go. Anyway, eating some IHOP pancakes, eggs, and bacon. I'll show you guys when I get home, and then I'm really late for my tanning appointment, so I'm just gonna be jumping around right now so fast. Yeah, breakfast: 3-year-old eggs, a couple of bacons, 3 pancakes for me, my baby here, sausage, eggs, and pancakes as well, and a little bit of coffee. Back on the road, heading to the venue right now, 30 minutes away. She's gonna be handling this phone from now on, so weeks. I hope she does take some pictures.
Alright. Show morning. Babe getting ready to do his next tan and meeting at 8. Should be on stage by 9:15, 9:30.
You guys finished my second coat of tanning, and then I'm gonna head to that place meeting right now.
Huh? Okay.
Forget it. Go to the beach. Hang out.
Alright, so took a quick restroom break myself. Got the SH Aesthetics sports bra. So he's in his meeting right now. I am in charge of the phone, so I am gonna do my best at recording everything. So don't mind if you see a little bit of shaking and stuff. That's just me and the excitement and just all kinds of emotions running around. But I am your girl behind the scenes, so stay tuned, guys.
1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2.
Meeting is going right now.
Most of the time, the judges don't pick a winner of the day, but it's someone that looks like they're going to be a pro. And that, again, it's that extra, like, wow, if only they would have.
What's up, big guy? Oh, what's up, man? Good to see you. How you good? Rich pushed me into it. How you been? I'll see you. What do you need help?
What up? What's up, bro? How are you? You got it. Look at that hair. Wow. The hair is gonna kill everything. We're starting in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. It's really cold. You don't have your fucking phone? I literally told you to text me. Backstage right now. I just had a rice cake and some almond butter. And then I'll go backstage as well to change and probably be on stage in an hour or so. Oh, stay tuned. I think I'll figure this out.
Face front. Mention Jews.
Baby, kill it!
Thank you.
So babe just got off stage. Did you hear me, babe? Hear me yelling?
Okay, update you guys. Lady is picking up some Diet Coke and vodka for me because I've been getting drunk for 2 days now. Vodka helps me get drier, in case someone asked me in the last couple of videos. No water, so yeah. Head back to the hotel. It's 9:30 now. That show was early. I was on stage like 9ish. Get a couple of meals in me and head back for the finals. Looking at first place. Let's say first place, because speaking things into existence makes it happen, right, people? Speak it into existence. I cannot believe I got off stage. My back was hurting me though. Like, we just took it one day at a time. Every day was a struggle. Every day I felt bad. Every day I was tired. But I just said, take it to the next meal. Take it to the next meal. Take it to bed. Wake up in the morning. The day starts over. Hit your cardio, and it's another day, another thing, another shit you could do to get better. And then it came from there, you know, one day at a time. If I kept looking, oh my God, I still have 2 weeks left. Oh, it's 3 weeks left. Would not have been worked. But one day at a time, people, for things that are hard to get. And let's see the deserved winner that I get tonight, and then I'll speak more in depth about how I felt and feel currently. Gonna go home, eat, because I only had one meal at 5:30 or 6:30 in the morning, if you remember. Back in the room. Look how much Pepsi I'm drinking. Oh my God, I'm gonna fill up nicely tonight. And I have beef and rice. 4 ounces skinny beef, 200 grams of rice, a little bit of mustard on top. And then I'm gonna sleep a little bit.
Make sure you smile all the freaking time. Number 7 smiles all the freaking time.
No one smiles more than me. Right?
Right, but you were very distracted at some point that I was like, babe, pose and look at the judges.
Sometimes I just forget.
Work is not done yet. It's 3 p.m. I'm going to the gym to get a final pump before I step on stage for the finals again. If you guys think it's easy, imagine not drinking water for 2 days and working out and depleting your body. The workout, you put every freaking ounce of energy that you eat in your muscles. Take the water out, you fill it with glycogen, you fill up, you look tighter. So now I'm gonna test drive again the 3 meals that I've had today. Downstairs, send pictures to my coach. Gonna feedback on what's the last meal. Probably we're gonna eat at 3:15. Step back on stage around 6. Hopefully get the final win. Let's go. Done. Oh, damn, skinnier by the day. Everything is cracking up like crazy now. Wait till I'm done pumping. keep doing.
Yeah, you are.
At least I'll step on stage knowing that I've done everything possible to look the absolute best me. Every time. I'm all in it to win.
You gave it your all.
Last check-ins before last. The last one is gonna be before I step on stage. 3:30 p.m. I'm stepping on stage at 5. I got my meal, 130 grams of rice. AJ said I look spot on, so that's perfect. 600 milligrams of pink salt. I got 2 rice cakes right here, and 3 ounces of Diet Coke right there. 3:30 right now, and then I'll leave at 5, get backstage at 5:30, finish this night so I could relax. Whew. I did my job, that's what matters. I look good, I feel good, I did my best. This is all that counts to yourself when you step on stage placing first, second, last. All that counts is that you know that you did your best. So good luck to whoever is competing out there. If you do your best, that's what matters.
Very relaxing before finals.
One more hour, baby.
Super close. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do I look ready?
You're so tired.
I'm ready for this to be done.
All right, stay tuned.
Back on the road, round 2. She's all nice and cute, and I'm all fucking black and looking like shit.
You're
and
always
smell
handsome.
like tanning oil and stuff.
You do smell like the tanning.
I just want water. I'll probably be on stage in an hour from now.
Yeah, so in an hour and a half you'll have your water.
Fuck this! I'll have my water as soon as I step off the stage.
No, you can't have water when
I
you
have
step on stage.
I have a gallon of water on me. I'm just gonna keep chugging it until I throw up. I've never been that thirsty. I've done little tons of shows, but not like that, you know. Hey, hopefully we win this. Fucking, let's go. Last flavor shot before stage time. Here's to the win. Cheers. Watermelon. Go straight. Burns through. Burns through. What?
Which flavor was that?
Watermelon. I drank from last 24 hours more than I drank for a year.
We'll be ready to kick off on Wednesday in DC show. I want to introduce you to the master of ceremonies.
This how I go wrong.
Thank you so much. They're hooking it up.
What?
They're hooking it up.
Ah, thank you, man. Later, she didn't want to film it.
No.
Get her back.
No.
Get her
I was like, don't get mad at me.
Watch
I
these security
can't. I follow the rules too much.
DJ, longtime sponsor.
20! Let's go, baby! Woo! Yes, babe! Woo! Woo!
Number 21, Gems Melodor. Come on over. There's a 6 right over here. 5th place going to Brandon Johnson. Finishing 4th place tonight, Leonardo Cedino. Third place, Gems Melador. Our runner-up in our class.
Come on, baby.
Saeed Hussein. Our men's physique Class C champion, Owen Borland. Right in the center there.
Amazing, babe.
Great group here. Hands raised in victory. Congrats to you all.
We got Mo and Hannah. Came by. You look great. So Safe is with Gabriel, one of his clients.
Really lives down here.
Came to support with his beautiful daughters.
This is from behind, backstage, behind the scenes, probably, and I hate to say this now, I don't know when I'm gonna say this, but I have a feeling I'm done with this fight, and I'm brought this world into something. I'm just standing right here for the last 10 minutes, trying to decide why am I doing this again. But I don't feel it. I know I'm gonna win. I don't think it's worth it, for me at least. And if it's not worth it for me, I don't do it. You know. Peace out, guys. Let me go to pressure. Finals. It's a good run. It's a good run for the past 6-7 years of my life, prepping for stages. But I'm happy with the whole I've experienced. Really happy. I took the decision right now, and I'm sitting backstage, not feeling the thrill of getting on stage. And I made that decision right here. That's what matters. Thank you for everyone who supported me that long. But I'll keep doing what I'm doing. Just not. Guys, I just took 3 shots after the show, and I am kind of tipsy, and I should not be filming that. But I'm extra honest. We're heading home right now. I'd like to thank my cousin for coming to the show so much. I truly appreciate you coming. He came to my first show and probably most possibly my last show because of how my back feels right now. I take care of my health so much. I'm not gonna fuck with this. This show is for me to test how my back is gonna feel. And if I'm not gonna do something for the rest of my life, why the fuck would I even bother wasting my youth in it? You know? It doesn't make sense to me. I'm a kind of person who goes all in or nothing. And that's what I've done my whole life. So, yeah. I don't feel good about doing it. I don't feel good taking second place or first place, or I was just gonna get the fuck out of here so I can finish this and I can go home and rest, because I'm dead right now, and I feel like I was posing on stage and my back was about to crack. It was bad. That being said, my fiance right here, soon to be wifey, was about to kill us. God damn.
I get excited when he calls me wifey.
Can you focus on the...
Yes, there was a thing that I didn't see.
Thank you. And she always, since I met her, used to see me, I've never seen you on stage. So, in dedication to that, this medal is for her. She's the reason I've made it so far. She's the reason I'm pushing every day, because she really was and supporting me with all of the asshole being that I am to her. She never gets mad. She gets mad, she shuts up, she doesn't talk. And I just feel bad that I do that because I love her, and I just can't make her feel bad. But it's just instincts that I do that. Like, I'm an asshole in nature, and especially if I'm prepping. But yeah, guys, I truly appreciate all the support here. I don't think I'm gonna go to the Olympia anymore. I don't think I'm gonna prep anymore. I love training. I don't want to one day wake up doing a surgery. I don't want to wake up not feeling my back or having leg pain. I'm still young. I did that therapy and it worked and it fixed, but me pushing my body through this for a longer period of time is gonna make it worse and worse, and I don't want it to go to that. I did, even without the few days that I didn't get back pain in it, I did not feel like I am wanting to do that. So after 10 shows, 6 years or 7 years of competing, I'm gonna say that this is it for me, man. I'm gonna find something better to do. Actually, I'm gonna keep doing the same thing that I'm doing. I'm gonna train you guys. I'm gonna promote my lifestyle. I'm gonna still work out. I'm gonna take better care of my health inside more than outside. I'm gonna take care of my beautiful wife right here more than I actually should be taking care more of her, because she's the one who's taking care more of me. My friends, my people that I call family here, I love you all seriously so much. All my supporters, everyone who texted me, it truly means a lot to me, honestly. Like, everyone who texted just saying good luck, even if I haven't talked to you in 5, 6, 7 years, I get those kind of texts. So that means more than you think. Some people I talked to yesterday, some people and talk to every day, and they never text. So you mean too much to me. Thank you. That would be the end of my show day video. As I said in the beginning, I'm kind of tipsy, so this is the honestest me I could ever be.
And he's tipsy because he had to do it for the show. It wasn't, you know.
Yeah. I took like four or five shots of vodka through the day today
to dry him out,
as you all saw through the video. But just this is out of my heart for you all, for the 60-70 people that's gonna watch this video. I love you. If you could please tell me who you are, I'd like to know you, because if one day I get to 100,000, I'd want to still remember that
because of those faithful people that
they're the first
watching.
50, 60 people that are watching my YouTube videos. So here's to the final show video, guys. We made it. I made it to stage. Thank you.
So good.
And I'm gonna go buy ice cream.
Let's go celebrate.
You guys have a good night. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you all. Please subscribe. See you later. Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, 6:30 a.m. I just woke up. I had a good night's sleep. I had a good food with my girl. Hugged her for a little bit because it's been a while since I hugged her. And I'm going downstairs to do cardio. Whatever I said last night, and I want to put this here, I don't want to delete it. It's true, and it's everything I'm thinking of, but I haven't made a final decision. But I'll do what I'll do. I'll go down, do my cardio, see if my back can push through, finish what I started originally, or not. I just hate to give up like that, you know. But we'll see. Maybe it's not my life. Maybe it is my life. God will let me know. But you know that feeling that you have, that you just over there and you're just giving up now? I don't want to feel that again. I don't want to feel that. So I get my cardio done, go upstairs, have my breakfast, and we head back home. Thank you again for making it this far. Let's see how this turns out. I'll let you guys update it.